Hey, welcome back to TruckU. We've got that trailer ready to do some deep, dirty work. It's about getting it prepped for paint, but we're gonna make our life a whole lot easier by utilizing this. This is the DB500 mobile blasting unit from the guys at Dustless Blasting. It's something we use all the time, from the littlest projects to the biggest ones, and it's a complete self-contained mobile unit. You've got the dust pot, you've got the water tank, you've got the generator air compressor unit, everything you need to get the job done.
The long hoses, all this, that. You talk about getting the job done, and you can do it quick. We've had a lot of fun with this on pieces from doors, tailgates, complete vehicles, trailers, all that stuff. And the cool thing about it is, like, you know, you talk about doing some work and having to be kind of accurate when you're removing paint and getting stuff ready. You don't have to worry about it with this. You just stand back and just get at it. And it's fun, dude. You know, blasting stuff is very entertaining. The trailer's just about ready, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave, so all the new fenders are on. The metal's ready to go. Basically, we'll leave the winch off and some of the
all
other
the wood's
stuff.
off it, yeah, so we can get down to the metal. The new stuff, the old stuff, what we want to do is put a surface that the paint will adhere to, and it'll do that with the dustless blasting system.
One thing I like about working with the system is there's no dust cloud, because the water suppresses all the dust, and that keeps the work environment nice and clean.
Not only is it easy, it's fast and efficient, and we also added a rust inhibitor into the formula, so it'll prevent rust for 3 days from forming on the trailer, so it buys us a little time before we paint it.
So the machine is good for small jobs, big jobs, whatever, and you can adjust the pressure from 30 to 150 PSI for different parts of the vehicle or the trailer or whatever you're blasting.
You know, the thing too is when you've got doing some welding on a trailer, you'll get that bluish part on the metal itself. Well, it's good for new metal as well, because it'll give a little grit to it, gives us something for the paint to bite to, whether it's new metal or old rusted metal. This will give you an advantage, give you a better end result.
Yeah, because you're gonna blast that bluing right off, because if you try to paint that, the paint's not gonna stick really good. Another thing is the DB500 Mobile S allows me to blast for up to 60 minutes. It's got that 100-foot hose, so I can just walk all around the project, and I can get to every nook and cranny and just blast away from multiple angles and get the job done.